Welcome to ASIM Code. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update. More coding goodness is coming soon. Multiple inheritance means that a child class can inherit from more than one parent class. This allows the child class to combine and use the features, attributes, and methods of all the parent classes. This example demonstrates multiple inheritance in Python by creating a pet class that inherits behaviors from both animal and dog classes. The goal of the example is to show how a child class, pet, can combine methods from multiple parent classes, allowing it to perform actions from both, like making an animal sound and barking, while also defining its own unique behavior, like playing. The functionality is simple. The pet class inherits the speak method from animal and the bark method from dog, and it also defines its own play method. This example highlights the flexibility and reusability of code through inheritance, allowing the creation of more complex objects by combining simpler behaviors. Parent Class 1 Animal. The speak method is a behavior that all animals share. Method speak defines a general action that an animal makes when it speaks. For example, it could make a sound. Self is a reference to the current object instance. Self is used to access attributes and methods of the class within this method. This method prints a simple string, simulating the sound of an animal. In real-world applications, this could be extended to animals making different sounds. Parent Class 2 Dog. The bark method represents an action specific to dogs. This method would simulate a dog barking. It does not take any parameters other than self, which is required in all class methods. This method prints a string, simulating the barking sound of a dog. It is specific to dogs and would not apply to other animals unless inherited. Child class, pet inherits from both animal and dog. The pet class inherits methods from both the animal and dog classes. It can call the methods from both parent classes and also has its own methods. The child class will be able to combine the behaviors of both animal and dog. The play method represents an action specific to pets. It is a new behavior added to the pet class, which is unique and does not exist in either animal or dog. Self refers to the instance of the pet class that will be calling this method. This method prints a string that indicates the pet is playing. Create an instance of the pet class. The pet variable is an object of the pet class, which is a child class of both animal and dog. The pet instance can access methods from both parent classes, speak and bark, as well as its own method, play. Calling methods on the pet instance. Calling speak method of the animal class via pet object. This will invoke the speak method from the animal class since pet inherits from animal. The print statement will output animal makes a sound. Calling bark method of the dog class via pet object. This will invoke the bark method from the dog class since pet inherits from dog. The print statement will output dog barks. Calling play method of the pet class. This will invoke the play method defined inside the pet class itself. The print statement will output pet is playing. Now run our code. That's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated.